It's a chilly evening outside and you're having a few guests for dinner, and you would like to cook something comforting and delicious. Well, we got you covered here at A Side Guy Cooks With Chicken and Chorizo Sausage Stew. So let's get started. Let's prepare the chorizo sausage. Time for the chicken thighs. Now let's build the stew. Set your timer for 60 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. The history of chorizo dates back to the Spanish conquest of the Aztec Empire during the 1500s. Chorizo consists of ground pork seasoned with vinegar and spices. Let's cook the rice. That looks great right out of the oven. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get a portion on a plate. Garnish with chopped cilantro. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, that's really delicious. The chicken and chorizo sausage are a great combination. The green chilies, peppers, tomatoes, and olives round out the dish perfectly. I'm gonna have a little bit more. Yes, rice is a great addition to this meal for sure, and your guests will absolutely love it. Leave a comment and/or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like dinner's ready for you and your guests. Stay with us. Watch the next video.